And with this, we come to an end of our Typo Day 2022. Now I
Yeah.
welcome Professor Ravi Poovaiah for the closing ceremony. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thanks for yeah, it's my great pleasure to give the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee for Typo Day 22 conference. Also very happy and glad that the conference went smoothly. We had all the speakers, including all the paper presentations and the student presentations. Okay, overall, not bad participation, but great sessions. There were very many takeaways from this conference, and I think it was a good experience. And overall, I think there were a lot of things that we can actually, take back. Okay, the videos of all the sessions will be available online, as well as all the paper presentations. The full papers will be available online in just about a couple of days. First, let me thank all the jury members who went through the papers for selection, and the jury members who went through the entries for both the poster as well as the logo competition. A big thank you to you. We also would like to thank all the participants of the conference, Professor Anirudh Joshi for gracing the inaugural occasion, paper presenters with their valuable presentations, chair for all the sessions, panel members for the panel discussions, all the 9 keynote speakers from different places, yeah, all the 7 workshop facilitators, all the great general participants from academia, industry, including student participations. Yeah, and we had quite a lot of question and answer and interactive sessions. And very importantly, we actually managed to cover a very important, area that is, somehow relate typography to children. And there were so many points of view which came out in this conference. Many thanks to also energetic team of volunteers. So I'm going to just name all of them: Roop Narayan, Chetan Boj, Sumit Garud, Yogesh Masaya, Shweta Patare, Radhika Gohil, Veena Venugopal, Shubhangi, Santosh, Niranjana, Siddesh, Darshan, Samarth, Mandar, Sachin, Vidya, Shuam, Sanmati, Niraja, Divya, Arivu, and Farana. A big thank you to all of you. You did a tremendous job of taking care of the platform, looking after the chairs and speakers, and making sure the conference goes on smoothly. Also, a special mention to Roop, Mandar, Chetan, Yogesh, Sumedh, and Sanmati for looking after so many issues: website, the platform, the registrations, papers, correspondence, and many other activities. Yeah. So again, thanks to IDC for all the support in helping us organize this conference. The person behind the scenes, Dr. Ajanta Sen, for having been with us with suggestions, ideas, planning, taking care of keynotes, and helping out with planning and logistics. Again, a big thank you to you. So the next conference is not going to be virtual online, but physical. And Manish is here. So it's going to be at his place uh, in the holy city of Benares, just next to the Ganges River. Okay, so we all very much look forward to being there, and we sincerely ask all of you to also come forward with your participation at this wonderful place. And with the very best wishes and regards, goodbye to all of you. Before we go, we have a couple of films. Okay, the first one is done by our own people. Okay, so Yeah, with that, I think we'll come to the close of the sessions. Thanks and goodbye to all of you.